So I guess we can start. Hi, everyone. Thank you very much for joining. I guess, first of all, I will introduce myself. And my name is Roman, and I am web developer in Agiliway company. And I have been working in this company approximately 5 years. And I want to very briefly tell you about Agiliway. And Agiliway is a custom software development company founded by a group of experts who have been working in IT industry maybe more than 20 years in the United States of America, also in European Union, and now leverage our experience, provide our customer flexible yet high quality software development services. And today I'm here to talk to you about one of our projects. It's ROI for CIO, and my presentation consists of 3 parts. First of all, I will tell you what is ROI for CIO. After that, I will describe the all functionality of this project. And finally, I will tell you how you can make money with this service. There are 2 ways. I don't know, maybe you want to start with the last part. Uh, and uh, finally, you can ask a question. We can talk more deeply about each functionality. I hope it will be interesting for you. So, first of all, what is ROI for CIO? This is the service built with Typo 3, and ROI for CIO is the excellent platform for effective interaction and communication between participants of IT market. Also, it's a unique cooperation platform for IT vendor, supplier, buyer, reseller, so on. And moreover, it's the excellent sales tools for vendor and the very good marketplace for user. And this service is designed to support sourcing of IT products and partners, maybe contractors and the customers as well. And what is the main values of this project? First of all, it's a speed up the selection of the efficient IT products. Also, use your software purchase budget as efficiently as possible. And third is the learn more about the product that sales know, and also you can save the time to send requests to supplier of solution or supplier of some products as well. Okay, all communication within this project are between 3 types of companies. It's the vendor, supplier, and user. We can call them like the buyers. Every type of the company has its own capabilities within this project, and I will tell you about it. So first of all, I will tell you about simple capabilities. After that, about more complicated, because they all of them are related to each other. And can you tell you very briefly the history of this project? I remember our customer came to us and asked it about very simple catalog of users, also the products, and we estimated this project approximately till 2 months. Now we calculated all time which we spent for development. It took more than 2 years. Yes, firstly it was like the first version of ROI for CIO. So let's switch to the first feature of this project. So this is the access to the vendor, supplier, and the user catalog. These three catalogs are very similar. And on the card of the company, you can see the name, short description, the information about the partner, information about the deals, and so on. In case you want to find the most suitable partner for you, you can use this page. Also, you can use the filter and find the most suitable the partners with help like the parameters partnership. And this capability is available for all type of users. I mean the type of companies. The next one is the catalog of implementation, and here you can see information about the name of implementation, also information about the supplier or vendor who created this implementation, also the user who already um, got this in this implementation. And you can also the filter whole list of implementation with help the filter as well. And now I would like to show you the list of products, and we can also, I would like to tell you more detailedly about the implementation. Implementation, it's like the combination of the service and the products. For instance, some supplier can provide for you uh, can provide for you some products, some computers with already installed software, and he can train you how you can use this computer, you can use this software. And this information is available for all types of companies as well. On the next slide, you can see the search form. Here is the type of search usual and the binaural network. Usual type is you can find the information about the product directly from our database. And also we implemented library fun. It's the PHP library, which can find most suitable products for you with help neural network. Also, whole list of result you can filter by business object. You can set the company size, also the problem which you want to solve, so on. Also, this capability is available for all type of company as well. So here you can see the comparison page. So you can compare the product with the same categories. And therefore, you can create the several comparison page, and you can share the link with your friends if you want. And all characteristics of the product depends on the category. Therefore, these tables will be different. And the comparison page, you can choose the best products among proposed as well. So maybe you have some question. I can make some pause in order to, you want to ask something? No? Okay, I will continue. So now I would like to tell you how you can register your company. So First of all, you have to fill in the information about the name. It's the first name, last name, email. Also, you have to fill in the information about the company. The first way, if you want to join to already existed company, you just need to put in the first letter or several letters and choose the company from the list. And the second way, if you want to create the new company, you also have to fill in the information about the company and choose the status of this company. For instance, if you want to work like the supplier and vendor, and after confirmation, you can work. You will be added like a super user or a user with full access within this company, and you can manage a list of your colleagues which will work with you within one company. So, and I would like to show you how you can add the list of your how you can add your colleague. So here you can see the information about your colleagues. It's like one of the option within your profile. Here you can add the first name, last name, job title of your colleague, email. Also, you can set access type. It can be full access, read only, or access is denied. Also, the user can see information about leads of this company. What does leads? Leads, it's like the potential clients of your company. And also this functionality is available for all type of company as well. One tip: if you want to save your time for registration, you can ask your friends which belong to your company about adding you to colleague lists, and it can save your time for registration, and it will be more easier. So, okay, now I would like to tell you about uh, adding product. So we can divide all form of adding product three parts. The first part is basic parameters. It's almost the same like parameters adding page of the simple e-commerce projects. I mean, you can set the name, description, you can attach the image. Also, you can set the categories of this project. The second part is the information for your partner. Here you can fill in the information about the average partner discount, is the deal protection or no, or average deal size or something like that. And the third part is the user specification. It's the parameters which will be involved in creating the price calculator. And every product has its own specification. And there is already specification which service provides, or you can add your own ones as well. It's possible. After that, you have to adjust them. I mean, you should set the date type. Also, you have to set the rules, special rules for each parameters. After that, also I more detailedly tell you about parameters, user parameters. Then I will describe price calculator. Yes. Okay. The next. Okay. Next, I would like to tell you about implementation. As I already told, implementation is like the combination of services and uh, products. And there are two ways how you can provide some implementation, how you can uh, add this implementation in your account. So also, if you are working like vendor, you can provide only your own products. If you are working like the supplier, you can provide your own products, also the products of your partner vendors. I will tell you how you can make a partnership with vendors later. Yes, and we can say that it's the one of the way of communication between different type of companies. And this feature are available only for two types of users. It's the vendor and supplier. So next capability is the capability which available only for type of company user or buyer. So what does it mean? It's the parameters, the unique parameters of each company, which will be involved in the ROI calculator. Then we want to, if you want to adjust ROI calculator, these parameters will be involved. I will tell you about these parameters one more time, then I will describe ROI calculator. So also one more source of data is the price list. So what is price list in this service? Price list, put simply, it's like the Excel file which we attach it to our company. And this file contains the information about the prices or information about some parameters and data of each cell we can use. Then we want to adjust price price of products. I will mention one more time as well about the price list. Okay, maybe someone have a question because it's really a lot of information. Okay, and now I would like to tell you about one more way of communication within this project. It's a request. There are two types of requests: request for price and request for partnership. Request for price is available for all type of companies, and you can see your request which you send to user, another company, and you can see the answer of them. Also, the second way of communication is the request for partnership, and incoming request for partnership, and they are related to each other. You can see this information in your profile as well. Also, the leads, which I already mentioned it. It's like it's your potential clients, your potential partners, and it's available for supplier only. So how you can send request for price? Now you can see request for price only single product WinZip, and you can fill in the unique information special for you. It can be the number of user, it can be number of it, or you can attach additional information or something like that. Also, you can send a request for price to all supplier of similar products. First of all, you have to fill in the information about the country, information about the type of companies, and after that, also you can add the information about user parameters. It can help you find the most suitable products for you. And second request, which I already told, is the request for partnership. So how it works? First of all, vendor can send request for partnership to supplier. If supplier want to want to have some deals with the vendor, he can approve it, and after successful negotiation, he can be like the partner of this supplier. After that, they can make some deals. So, and now I would like to tell you about one of the main feature of this service. It's the ROI calculator and the price calculator. So, what is ROI calculator? ROI is return on investment. It's like the calculation of return of this investment is the basis of the making investment decision. And how it works? You can just adjust parameters which contain the user parameters and additional parameters which depend on the model of benefits. As I already mentioned, parameters of ROI. It's the unique parameters of users. And also the additional parameters which you can set during adjustment of ROI calculator. So now you can see the form, how you can do it. First of all, you have to select the model of benefits, and you will see the different parameters. Here is the parameters of user. I mean, these parameters. And you can see the additional parameters of the model of benefit. Each parameter will have the unique constants, and you can use this constants for ROI calculator calculation formula. And you can build it. After that, you can see the result of calculate ROI. The second very useful feature is the price calculator. You can save your time and calculate the cost of the IT products by using the ROI for CIO calculator. And price calculator based on user specification, which I already mentioned during creation products, and the price list. It's like the one of the source of data. And also each parameter will have the unique constants as well. Now you can see the user specification from products and the price list. How we can get information about some unique cell? We had to just set the table, we had to set the column, row. After that, service generate the unique constants for the each data, for each cell, and unique constants for the user specification. And these constant you can use for building product costs and product annual costs as well. I mean the formulas. So, and now you can see the result of the price calculator. And the last part of my presentation, and how you can make money with this service. The first way, you can work like the vendor or supplier. You can make a partnership, or you can add the products, you can add the implementation. And the second way is receive funds for the completed information. What does it mean? The system has its own internal, like the currency RC, which equal $1. If you connect the ROI calculator, you will get 150 RC for this. Then you can exchange them for $150. Yes, currently the goal of the project is to fill in the as much product information as possible. So yes, it's only now ROI for CIO teams is working on the new features. Therefore, it's only the beginning, and now you can see on the real side the new design, but content is the same. I guess it was useful and interesting for you. And if you have some question, we can talk more deeply about each functionality. I can describe more deeply.
Hi, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm interested, what was the main challenge you faced during developing the platform?
It may be security, because we used different tools to provide the most as most security service for the different companies, or the big companies. Also, we want to make the best performance of this project. I guess it was really difficult for us, for our teams. Yeah, thank you for question.
Thank you.
Some question? No? So in this case, maybe I will say thank you very much for attention. I really appreciate it. So bye. Thank you very much for attention.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Roman.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.